Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Once again, welcome back to R.H. Educational channel. This is my 7th video and 3rd video for counting number from 21 to 30. In our previous classes, we already got read from 1 to 20 and we acquired knowledge how to use this number in Arabic. If you don't see this video, please go through links mentioned in descriptions. And today we will learn from 21 to 30. So let's start the lesson. Now we start from 21. For 21 number we use in Arabic Wahid wa Ishrun. Wahid wa Ishrun means 21. So see the example, 21 books. For 21 books we can say in Arabic Wahid wa Ishruna kitaban. Wahid wa Ishruna kitaban. Now see 22 numbers. For 22 number we use in Arabic Ithnani wa Ishrun. Ithnani wa Ishruna means 22. See the example, 22 books. For 22 books we can say in Arabic Ithnani wa Ishruna kitaban. Ithnani wa Ishruna kitaban. Now see 23. For 23 we use in Arabic Thalathata wa Ishrun. Thalathata wa Ishrun means 23. See the example, 23 books. For 23 books we can say in Arabic Thalathata wa Ishruna kitaban. Thalathata wa Ishruna kitaban. Now see 24 number. For 24 number we use in Arabic Arba'ata wa Ishrun. Arba'ata wa Ishrun means 24. See the example, 24 books. For 24 books we can pronounce in Arabic as Arba'ata wa Ishruna kitaban. Arba'ata wa Ishruna kitaban. Now see 25 number. For 25 number we use in Arabic Khamsata wa Ishrun. Khamsata wa Ishrun means 25. So see the example, 25 books. For 25 books we can speak in Arabic as Khamsata wa Ishruna kitaban. Khamsata wa Ishruna kitaban. Now see 26 number. For 26 number we use in Arabic Sittata wa Ishrun. Sittata wa Ishrun means 26. So now see the example, 26 books. For 26 book we can articulate in Arabic as Sittata wa Ishruna kitaban. Sittata wa Ishruna kitaban. For 27 number we use in Arabic Sab'ata wa Ishrun. Sab'ata wa Ishrun means 27. So see the example, 27 books. For 27 books we can say in Arabic Sab'ata wa Ishruna kitaban. Sab'ata wa Ishruna kitaban. Now see 28 number. For 28 number we use in Arabic ثمانية وعشرون. ثمانية وعشرون means 28. See the example. 28 books. For 28 books we can say in Arabic ثمانية وعشرون كتابا. ثمانية وعشرون كتابا. Now see 29 number. For 29 number we use in Arabic تسعة وعشرون. تسعة وعشرون means 29. So see the example. 29 books. For 29 books we can say in Arabic تسعة وعشرون كتابا. تسعة وعشرون كتابا. Now see 30 number. For 30 number we use in Arabic ثلاثون. ثلاثون means 30. See the example. 30 books. For 30 books we can say in Arabic ثلاثون كتابا. ثلاثون كتابا. Now revise the lesson. واحد وعشرون. واحد وعشرون means 21. اثنان وعشرون. اثنان وعشرون means 22. ثلاثة وعشرون. ثلاثة وعشرون means 23. أربعة وعشرون. أربعة وعشرون means 24. خمسة وعشرون. خمسة وعشرون means 25. ستة وعشرون. ستة وعشرون means 26. سبعة وعشرون. سبعة وعشرون means 27. ثمانية وعشرون. ثمانية وعشرون means 28. تسعة وعشرون. تسعة وعشرون means 29. ثلاثون. ثلاثون means 30. Repeat once again. واحد وعشرون. اثنان وعشرون. ثلاثة وعشرون. أربعة وعشرون. خمسة وعشرون. ستة وعشرون. سبعة وعشرون. ثمانية وعشرون. تسعة وعشرون. ثلاثون. Now I want to check your knowledge that how much you gained and understood the number from 21 to 30. So revise the lesson carefully before giving answer. Through descriptions you can check also that is your answer right or not. First question is which one is 27 number? Which one is 27 number? Options are A واحد وعشرون. B تسعة وعشرون. C أربعة وعشرون. D سبعة وعشرون. Second question. Which one is 21 number? Which one is 21 number? Options are A ثلاثون. B خمسة وعشرون. C واحد وعشرون. D ثمانية وعشرون. Third question. Which one is 28 number? Which one is 28 number? Options are A ثمانية وعشرون. B تسعة وعشرون. C ستة وعشرون. D ثلاثة وعشرون. Fourth question. Which one is number 24? Which one is number 24? Options are A. سبعة وعشرون B. تسعة وعشرون C. اثنان وعشرون D. أربعة وعشرون. Fifth question. Which one is number 30? Which one is number 30? A. واحد وعشرون B. ثلاثون C. خمسة وعشرون D. تسعة وعشرون. So this is enough for today. I hope this video will be beneficial for you. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. See you again.